Hello. Welcome to... Today, I'm looking for a great horned owl. A large and successful owl named for its size and its pointy ear tufts. Found in both North and South America, this owl is widespread and relatively easy to find. For an owl, that is. I dragged my family to Clear Springs Ranch, and we started our day with a western meadowlark. We spotted dark-eyed juncos of various varieties. Flocks of mallards flew over, and squirrels hid deep within the bush. A single kestrel braved the heavy wind in search of food. We spotted a few red-tailed hawks. The birding was so slow that leaves and branches began to morph into birds. That's a branch. That's a branch. That's an owl. Wait, that's an owl. That's a great horned owl.